But I'm just going to merge it into main and just work off of main because this is pretty cleanly not. It doesn't change any current. This is just additive feature stuff. So we'd have to get rid of this. Oh, is that if it ends in jack? Wait. What is he testing here? ASC tool IR on parse. And then he's connect expressions. And then he's using this as the PyFunc. All right, let's merge this. All right. But we'll still make some changes on it. Let me just make a mental note. Actually, I'm going to change it in the branch. Hold on. All right. Cool. I just did a little merge main there. All right, let's see. Okay. So the things we want to change are, this is fine. That's in CLI. Why does he need this? ASC3 parse. Oh, okay, yeah. Because then we're taking that from the file and then we're turning it into Jack code. So we'll do that. Does he have an error? Not a Py file. Okay, good. So that CLI is good. Let's go back. CLI is good. That's fine. And then here we have build pass, return error. Where is that? Okay. Oh, he has return error now? Oh, error equals. Okay, a little refactor there. If file name is blah, and then if it's a Py, do this. What was it that I wanted to change? The test stuff primarily. Oh yeah. I see. That's good. And then this one is the test needs to be updated because this is just weird. If file ends with Jack. Sorry about. Got it. That's a little bit like unnecessary, but he's generating all this stuff for each one. Why? This could be a long test. I mean, this could be a slow test. So let me do this. Okay. Let me do this. I'm going to run this test by itself. -K. Yeah, it's a slow test. But let's do it again. See how slow it is when it's warmed up. Still very slow. 8 seconds for one test. All right, let's fix the test. So we're gonna go to test line tools. And then we're going to go to the test, a little bit of overkill, and then we just need the Py function. And he's just testing IR, he's not testing the CLI anymore. And that's fine. Let's make that the file, I guess. And then what? what's he doing? This was out 3, right? That's it, right? No, much better. 7 seconds down to 90.9 seconds, which is what I like to see. All right, so this is good. Let's see. So we cleaned up that test.
Yeah, and processing.
Yep.
And we are printing the AC also.
Yeah. That's the other thing you want to fix. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we could commit this now. It's fine. Test. Clean up. Jeez. 3rd try is a charm. All right. So, what am I doing now? Where was that? CLI? No.
CLI.
Yeah, it is CLI. Yeah. I mean, the CLI will keep. I wouldn't just call it convert. Like these names aren't. I would call it pi to jack. I like that better. But let's do the name change with that. Okay, so pi to jack is updated, and then we don't need this piece. We don't need this piece. Oop. We don't need this piece, and we don't need this piece. Okay, this is a bit better. He doesn't have a test for this, but so maybe we could stick one in real quick. Test CLI. Test. What would this look like? This would look like the .gen one. It would look like this, except we would change the files a bit. So this would test pi to jack, and then we would do. This one is, what did he do in test line tools? This is in tests. So I think what it looks like is something like this, but with one less this. I think that's the right file. I think that should be the right file. And then we can assert that in standard out. Right? This should be the test. To match, let's try it. Pi test -s -k test pi to jack. Nope. Not found in not a jack file. What? Oh, duh. Pi to jack. Yeah. All right. What? Not found in Python function printf, myprint, blah. All right, let's just run it and see what it actually shows on the screen. No, it's jack pi to jack. Oh wait, yeah, no, that works. PyFunc. Huh. Strange. This is strange. Why is it doing that? Because the PyFunc looks like this. So it should give us the jack representation of that, but it's giving us this nonsense. Does this look familiar to you?
No.
This doesn't? Okay.
Maybe in the conversion, in the CLI, PyS local.
Wait, didn't we delete this? Why is all this stuff here?
No.
Wait. Oh, we didn't merge main. Oh, okay. He hasn't merged main yet. So let's not touch these. Let's see. Git status. Okay. Is this going to cause problems? This is it. This is tricky. All right. Wait. We didn't merge main. So we have to really do this after we merge main. And then we'll be... Okay. So git diff We might have gotten ourselves in a little bind here. All right, that's clean. Validate. No, wait. I'll just say update the CLI. Feature. Go, go, go. Git push. All right, so we got that going, and now, so we update CLI, and then this should be refreshable. And then these are the files that were touched. This one's touched very lightly. Right? Okay. And then this one's just additive. This is his stuff, so this shouldn't conflict. I'm just nervous about merge conflicts. So let's, okay. Git branch. Pi to jack. Git checkout main. Git pull. Boom. Git checkout pi to jack. Git merge main. Okay, okay, that's good. Git push. Okay, now jack clean, and now let's run that test. Okay, the test passed, and if we run this, whoa, that doesn't look right. Does that look right?
No.
That doesn't. Oh, that's a format issue, you think?
Yes. Education.
Interesting. Because we were calling format twice. All right. So that's not a big deal then. Well, so let's go ahead and merge this, right? Wait. Was there a difference? Yeah. There shouldn't be anything to commit, right? Git, well, let's just see. Git commit. Check. Whatever. Yeah, nothing to commit. Okay. So this is mergeable. This is broken though. I mean, it's just formatter bullshit. Okay. So we'll go ahead and merge this. And then we're gonna work on that formatter bullshit. All right. Review changes, approve, submit, conversion, merge, okay. Delete branch. Okay. Main. Whoop. All right, git pull. Cool. Okay, so now we can convert Python files into Jack code. That's pretty cool. But it's broken. So let's see why it's broken. Format's broken. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's have some fun. So we can do multiple unparses. So this is going to be fine.
Yeah,
And then, what's that? What's up?
yeah, because in the norm rate we are setting fixed to a existing let's say global norm, existing tree. So will that causing error? But that is not in the AST. When we are printing the AST, those are not there. How that is happening?
Oh, when you're printing the tree, it's not there? So give me an example. Yeah, this is bad. All right. All right, I'll just bring up the formatter and see if I see anything weird. If I was to just return this, let's see what the output looks like. God, that's really annoying. Like, this is just such a mess. I think I know what's happening. I mean, it's something where the tree is being traversed from format again or something. Let's see. Let me see something. If I go to format and then I just had this return on parse. No, wait. Format, yeah. Self.onParse. Yeah. So this is perfect, right? This is actually import annotations, semicolon. Yeah, this is correct, right? And then if I do multiple on parses, it doesn't matter. So it's the formatter pass. Formatter pass is
No processing.
Hmm?
I have doubt.
Yeah, talk to me. Yeah, what's up?
Thing is, we have a Jack tree we built already from the code. We built a tree from the code, and we have a Jack HT. But when we are doing the normalizing from the top to bottom, we are adding some kids to the existing node.
We're overwriting the kids. We shouldn't be adding kids. It should be replacing the kids, because we call set kids, right? So set kids. Yeah. We would have bigger problems if we were adding kids. We would have much bigger problems. So So we're overriding the kids.
Then problem is in the format.
What could that format pass possibly be doing? Because what we have here is we are calling the pass on this node, and then the pass. So let's just go to the pass and just eyeball it and see what the hell it's actually doing. So it would have to be, it would have to be doing something to the kids, right? This should really only be reading only. It shouldn't be editing any children. I'm just looking for any assignments. So, wait, let's look at before pass and after pass. Before pass doesn't do anything with kids. After pass, there is no after pass. Okay. Is there an enter node? Nope. And is there an exit node? Nope. So yeah, so it's just traversing. Where could it be assigning, or is there any set kids? Nope. Is there any, what was it? Add kids? Nope. Let me make sure those were the right thing. Absent tree. Add kids. No, there's no add kids. There's no set kids. Let's see if there's any kids assignment. Yeah, this is such a trip. I'm really trying to. I can't even visualize what could possibly be happening. So why don't we do this? We can walk through it with the debugger.
Yeah.
And then see. I don't know what we would be looking at.
Or else we just keep only one single simple code. Let's say a equal to 4 in the Python. Or in the.
Oh yeah, true. That's a good idea.
Or else in the
let me think. Actually, there might be an easy way to write a test for this, right? So we could kind of use the same test strategy as jack string to. Let me just think through this. So we could use string to pass, and then we can apply the format on that pass and flatten the tree each time. Do I have a flatten function? Yes, I do. Beautiful. So then we could look at the list before and look at the list after. All right, I'm talking to myself, but let's do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pass, this test in test language, and then we're going to go to like the last test, which is this kind of thing, right? We're going to do something super simple, which is we'll just do with entry print hello, right? Okay. And then Wait. No, this won't. Oh yeah, then we'll unparse. We'll unparse it. So we'll do an unparse. So we'll do like prog.ir.unparse. And then we're going to print prog.ir.flatten. So we should get the flattened tree. Let's look at what that looks like. Let's just experience this. Let's do, what was it? PyTest-S-K. That one. Okay, so this is the unflattened situation. Is this a good way to do it? Because you can't even reason about it.
But that's the correct.
Let's do, yeah, it's the correct tree. Let's see. Let's do some nice comprehension. Let's do name, no, let's do I dot class dot name for I in that. So this will be a little bit more readable. Module code, token, da 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 da. Let's just make it a little, let's make it a little wider so we get the whole line. And then we'll do prog.ir.format and then the same. Is it gonna, yep, the GPT was good. Oh, so wait, no, this looks like the same. Actually, let's do a new line. All right, so it's the same. Now let's print this too. Because what we were experiencing, we have to get the dupes, the duplication issue, right? So let's see. So we have the duplication issue. So the first one is correct. Oh, so maybe, yeah. So if I do two formats, basically it's a format issue probably.
It will be, yeah, it will be very.
No, it's the same flatten. Oh, I know what the issue is. I know what the issue is, dudes. I know what the issue is. It's this. I have the solution. I'll tell you what it is. I think the format only adds to the jack because it starts blank. It's a long story, but here's the solution. It might make sense when you see it. Basically, the solution is enter node. No, not pass, dude. It's node dot and then super that. We need to clear it out. Let's see if that fixes it. Ta-da! Ta-da! That was the issue. It just didn't clear. You can also do it before pass. No, it's better to do it on the walk down. So basically what's happening is each node has a copy of its code, of its source code, and on the first time you format, everything's blank, and then it does a add, and then on the second one, it's just adding. So it's like your whole tree is duped from node by node. So yeah, all right, cool. So that's easy. So
just 3 lines of code, it was like.
I know. It's crazy.
Something unpacked.
Yep. So we'll leave that test in there. Although it's kind of like, it's hard to imagine it breaking again in the future, but let's do test language. We're just going to do all those on parses. We won't print them. We'll just call it. And we will essentially, well, none of these prints. Before equals that. And then we'll do like maybe 2 or 3 of these. And then after equals. And then let's see if it generates the assert for us. Self-assert equals before and after. So let's run that test real quick. And it works. Okay, cool. So then the whole the whole diff is git diff. Very clean little diff here. So we added the enter node thing. Oh, let me go back to and undo this change. Absence tree. It's right here. So this is fine now. Okay. Ooh. What? Okay. Now let's see the diff. Huh? Oh, return self that far. Okay. Yeah, now this is the diff is the fix and the test. Okay. And I think I'm on main, but I'll do a push to main. Double format. Doubling. Fixed. let me just make sure one thing real quick, that main was passing. Okay, main was passing. Because then we git commit and then oop. Redefinition of what? Oh no, I gotta change this name. Oh shoot. Yeah, well let me just do this. Double format issue. Okay, now that's on main. And it's working. Work hard. Okay. So, what else? What else? Oh, so that's your double on parse issue, right? that should fix it. Oh, I can't. What was that? I think your mic might have just gotten.
How about now?
Yeah, it's better. Yeah.
So, do we have to make the 2 pass for the jack-in file?
Yeah. So we have to do that next. Let me think. Yeah. So we actually put this in ClickUp, right? We didn't we put like a list of all the stuff we wanted to do in ClickUp? Let's see. Did we make it a list or? I remember I added a whole bunch. Was it in here? No. No subtasks. Yeah, it was separated into 2 passes. And then, I mean, that's very easy to create 2 schedules. Let me see your test. Which file has your test? Is it test language? Test language.
Yeah, test.
So this has your thing, and what you're doing is with open file, you're doing Python module AST. Don't you have to do where are you compiling? Build pass?
No, yeah, we are just compiling.
Oh, I see. Yeah, build pass.
Compiling is
Yep. I'm just thinking about how your tests would have to change. So why do we have both these? What does this do?
that is for the. Yeah, we can get rid of it also. Because that was the issue for the double and in the PyHT load bars in the module. we can get because
This is messy stuff, dude. Like this is spaghetti. This is spaghetti, dude. We got to not do this. So we're gonna have to clean up this whole situation. All right, let me. Yeah, yeah. We don't need to do any of this stuff now, right? This is all debugging stuff, right?
but
Okay.
partial unpass we can
So I'll just do this.
we can get
Okay, those are all gone. Okay, let's just do a quick test language. All right, whoop. What is it? Index error? Huh? What did I do?
we need to do a
Let me see something.
no, can you put a unpass in the module?
I don't. You mean here?
Yeah. After before the return statement, can you put
Why?
the red
Why would we need that? Oh, okay. We do need that.
No,
I-
I don't think we need it, but let's try.
Hmm.
Oh shit. But
Why would we need it?
Yeah, it's written the module. I mean, Jack module. Self dot no dot at the return. So why we need that?
Hmm. I'm thinking too. All right. Maybe we should go down that journey next. That's our next to do.
No, that will be
What? No. This is in register pass. Let's find out. This is in your guys' stuff.
put the if statement.
Oh, because you're accessing kids directly? This is nicht gut. This is not good. Okay, this might be fine. What? Because you're making assumptions on kid. You shouldn't access kid directory in any context. This is a built-in type token for every kid in here. What are you trying to do? Well, I guess kid would only be one. No, this could be an AST node as well. Oh, because you have extract type from AST node. See, you guys aren't using your types properly. You guys are like, oh, it's type safe. Any. See? We've got a type annotation. It's all any's. This is an abstract type. This is an abstract type, right? AST node is the most abstract. What is this supposed to be?
Yeah, extract type is, let's say we are in a substack and we no atom trailer and we have to collect the personality and dictionary those typing. We have to collect the type.
So type tag would be an expression, right? It should be an expression. Because types are expressions at the end of the day. So if I do that, you get an error here because extracted type is just a list. Okay. If is instance built in or token, those could be expressions. These are expression types, so that's fine. So you could do something like this.
No, extract type is a list.
Node.value is an abstraction if isn't. Why is this expected expression? Wait, it has incompatible type string. Oh, because you're so this is strings. These are lists of strings. Are you mixing types in here?
No.
Okay. Oh, okay. But self-extract type. Child. For child in node kid. Yeah. See, this is why Okay, I'm not gonna go through and fix this particular module.
Yeah, but
You,
no solution. We have to get rid of this function. We have to come with a good plan to how to extract the type.
at some point, you guys can walk me through how you guys approach this, and then we can talk about how to do it next version with that refactor task. So we should do that for sure.
Yeah, it's basically what we are doing is, let's say in assignment, we have a and then we have a type, and in that type and we have a type tag. That type tag is atom trailer, personality, bracket. Inside that we have the person name and those stuff. So we have to extract that.
Yeah. So okay, so you have to extract that, but that is an expression. It's actually an expression.
Yes.
That I mean that's how. So you're. This is actually an expression. As far as Python is concerned, like when I say this is an expression, I mean in this code, in the grammar, these are any valid expression. So you could do something like this. Like that would be a valid type. Ironically. But I'm just anyway. But I'm just saying these types are too abstracted, right? Because this code then is you're not getting the value of being type safe because you're not adding to the readability. And then you can have the wrong type in here that could mess stuff up, and then it's debug hell, right? So I think. All right, so what we're trying to do now is figure out. Here you're using kid, so maybe we just fix this one spot because kid, you're making an assumption on a location in kid when you should just be using. You probably, I think I know what you want here. Wow, this is so bad practice, but let's go. Let's fix it. I think it's easy to fix. Dot kid. This is, I think you mean the type tag tag. I think that's what you're. I think that's what you want.
Another place also there is in the assignment also.
Oh, I see. There's another one. Dot kid. Type tag dot tag. You guys are funny. Jack clean. Okay, we've got some more stuff. So this is in index out of range. So that means that this doc didn't get a PyASC.
In which file does it give?
Oh, how do I see the file? Test needs import one.
I mean, it could be error in the PyASC load files.
Yeah. Like what this strikes me as is in your PyASC load pass, you're probably not adding something to the kid but in the creation of the node, you're probably saying something dot kid append or some shit. If you do that, you got to do add kids left, add kids right. Anyway.
Yeah, what is it? Can you...
Oh, add kids left or add kids right. Let's see what you got here. Let me see if you got that dot kid. Let's do, is it like that? Dot kid dot star append dot star? No? Oh wait. Nope. You don't have append. Do you have extend? Do you have equal? No. How do I say equal? Kid equals I for, yeah, that's fine. This is fine. Yeah, I mean, so that would be my guess is that you're modifying the kids, or you're adding the doc. Do you ever add the doc to the kids after the fact? Can you think of any nodes where you're adding the doc to the kid after the fact?
Class date.
Class stuff. So
Places we have.
doc equals if doc value. Let's see where the doc ends up. If doc. No, you create it. You create it properly. So this. Oh, it's probably not in kid though. If doc equals line item, doc equals
But
doc.
that is already done. That is for the enum.
Yeah. But anytime you're creating the kid here, like this doc isn't here. I'm not seeing it here. Oh, you're saying here for the enum, right? So where's kid? Kid doesn't have a doc. So it doesn't have a doc here. So this is your issue, right? So when you specify kid, it needs to include everything that you actually put in.
Yeah, we have to add the doc.
Yeah. If there is a doc. So you know, you could do something like this. It's like doc name if. Yeah. So it's something like that, right? So you need that in the various relevant places. You need it here too. If this could have a doc, you know, you need a doc name. Is there a doc here? It's probably there too, but I'll just do a doc clean. So you guys, so you can go on this journey. I'll put on parse here for now. Where was it? In module. I'll just throw this back at you, okay? I mean, you could, yeah, okay.
Yeah. That's it.
Module.
Yeah. We do it.
Where was it? No, exit module. No, proc module.
And how does that is working?
How does it work when we have the unparse? Because unparse has a set kid, so it rebuilds the kid hierarchy basically. This shouldn't. This is a hack and should be deleted. Okay. So then this keeps our test passing. Awesome. So basically, I would go ahead and just try to remove this, and then you can try to split it out into two passes, right? So you know how to do that, right? Import. You understand the point of the approach, right? Where you have an import jack. You have an import jack that just does this part, and then you have an import pi that just does this part, right? And then you have two schedules. You can start that PR. And the first thing to do in that PR is remove this and then fix all the stuff that needs to be fixed.
Yeah, and we have eventually we need a importer pass.
Hmm?
In the eventually do we need the importer pass? Or what are the passes that will be saved?
Well, import pass would just turn into import jack pass and import pi pass. We're just splitting it into two. And then the current schedule would just be import jack pass, and then we can add another schedule that has the pi stuff. Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna wait, let me just do one more quick sanity check. I get diff sanity check. I'm really just reviewing my changes before I merge it directly into main. That should go away. That one's fixed for you already. This one's improved. This is the getting rid of that test stuff. Okay. All right. Cool. I gotta hop. Gotta do a lunch with some people. So I'll go do that. Yeah. Cool. Very cool. Awesome. All right, man. Keep me posted, and I'll be on a little later. Yep. Bye. Yep. All right. If anyone's viewing, I'll be back later. Peace.